Hi dear students, in this video I am going to talk about packing fraction in simple cubic unit cell, which is also known as cubic primitive unit cell. Packing fraction in cubic primitive unit cell. Cubic primitive unit cell. In the cubic primitive unit cell, lattice points are present at corners. 8 corners of the cube is occupied by 8 atoms. 8 corners of the cube is occupied by 8 atoms. And atoms are touching with each other along the edge. Atoms are touching each other along the edge. Let us assume that radius of atom as small r, edge length as small a, and the relation between radius and edge length is a is equal to r plus r. So a is equal to 2r. A is equal to 2r. Packing fraction is equal to volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Students, volume of atoms. So we are considering atom as a sphere with the radius r, right? First let us calculate the effective number of atoms. Effective number of atoms in the unit cell is equal to 8 corner atoms are present. 8 into corner atom contribution is 1 by 8. So effective number of atoms per unit cell, that is for the cubic primitive unit cell, is 1 we are getting, right? So packing fraction is equal to volume of atoms. Effective number of atom only 1 it is there. So 1 multiplied by volume of the sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by this will gives us volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell, volume of the cube with the edge length of a. The volume of the cube is a cube, right? Let us substitute a cube in terms of r. A is equal to 2r. So packing fraction is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube by this a place we can substitute it as 2r whole cube, 2r whole cube, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube by 2 cube is 8 r cube will gets cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are, which is pi by 6 we are getting. On simplifying this we will get it as a 0.52. Packing fraction is 0.52. Wide fraction is equal to 1 minus packing fraction. 1 minus 0.52, which is equal to 0.48. Students, the simple cubic unit cell will be like this. Okay, lattice points are present at corners, which is known as a primitive unit cell. Non-primitive means along with the corners, lattice points also present at other places, right? It may be at a body center, face center, end centers, like that, right? This is called as a primitive cell, which has a lattice points only at corners. So if we take one edge, this is center to center, this is a, which is equal to a is equal to r plus r. A is equal to 2r. A is equal to 2r. So this A value in terms of 2r, in terms of r we are substituting here in the packing fraction volume of atoms by volume of unit cell. By simplifying we are getting packing fraction is equal to 0.52 and void fraction is equal to 1 minus packing fraction. 1 minus 0.52 is 0.48. Thanks for watching.